Welcome to Slide's Tip of the Month series. This month's topic is mold release and paintability. Paintability is a rather simple concept, but it's one that's vital that every molder have mastered. When utilizing a mold release that's classified as paintable, the inference is that that molded part can be decorated after the molding process is completed. Those decorating processes can include hot stamping, ultrasonic welding, pad printing, painting, or even just putting a sticker on it. Basically anything that's going to require adhesion. It's vital that the molder understand the needs of the stakeholders all the way down the supply chain. They need to understand whether a paintable mold release should or shouldn't be used. Here at Slide Products, we understand that evaluating and selecting the correct mold release can be a frustrating process, but we've got 100 years of factory rep experience ready and available to help you out. Please contact me, contact Slide Products if we could ever help you with your mold release selection process. Thank you so much.